Dito kayo, doon kayo, para makita kayo. Kuya, kunin mo ito. Bawal yan eh.
Five games down, 1 game to go. Hopefully nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating broadcast ng ating Delta Cup. Sa mga laban na ito, natutukan natin ang spirit ng Kapampangan. And now we're down to our final game for today, this Saturday. It's gonna be MACABEBE versus MINALIN. Well, these two teams, they're one department na magaling sila, rebounding. And kung sino yung makakuha ng rebounds, there's a possibility that they might win this match. After this match, we will have 6 more games tomorrow. I-announce natin yan sa ating Facebook pages dito sa PIO, sa Pampanga Information Office at silang iniasa. At bati-bati tayo mga fans dito sa likod. They are giving us a joy and a privilege to watch. Ako po ang nilikod, Ryan Pajaro. And with our starting lineups, we're gonna flash that on the screen right now. We have Sagmit, Cruz, Ibay, Manabat, and Pamulagan for MINALIN. And for MACABEBE, we have Duwag, Dukot, Mundo, Talavera, and Dungo. Stay with us. The main game is coming up. This is Delta Cup. Back after these reminders. Okay, we are ready to introduce the starting fives of both squads. And we are about ready for our main game for tonight, MINALIN versus MACABEBE. Initial possession for the red shirts of MACABEBE. Versus MACABEBE, malapit yan sa atin, sa apalit. Up break. 3-point shot. Wala. Rebound, controlled. It's going to be an out of bounds. And natili yan sa MACABEBE. And they have 13 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Again, sa ating mga kabalin, maya pabingin po kay kayo. Again, Ryan Paro po. And tomorrow, we will start the broadcast. Same thing at 8 a.m. 6 more games to play. And we're still halfway through to the elimination round of this Delta Cup. Paliga ni Gov Ted Pineda. Samantala, they just beat the buzzer on that shot clock. And first possession now for MINALIN. Wala pa rin score on about unan. A drop pass inside. Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa MACABEBE. Four corner offense now for MACABEBE. Good pick provided from the screen. 3-point shot. Wala. It goes to the support. That's what's called over the backboard. Ngayon yung rule doon. Kapag ang bola tumagos over the backboard, tumama sa goal support, that's an automatic violation. Cruz. Tumapak sa linya. 20-footer. Ayaw. Boy, may konting pushing shove doon pero wala tawag ng referee. Just let it go. Nice up fake. Here's the bank shot. No good. Rebound control. Still no shot. Rebound control by MINALIN. So, wala pa po score about Bunan dito sa ating main game. Here's the drive. The drop. Inside. Wala. Medyo maalat pa ang shooting ng bawat Bunan at this early stage. Fast break. MINALIN. The layup, no. Pamulagan. Foul. We'll take straight two. We have a good size crowd here at the BREN Convention Center. We're excited to see a very first basket. Buhay na buhay ang crowd dito sa BREN Convention Center. Alright, 2 more free throws. Yan, hopefully narinig nyo ko loud and clear. Pamulagan. First free throw. It's not good. And ito na, nag-aay pa ng crowd dito. This is what we like here in BREN Convention. Very animated ng crowd. First field, second free throw is good. Ayun, naka 1 point ng MINALIN at yung mga benchers pwede na sa umupo. And Michael Galvez says, upo na kayo, nakascore na kayo, di ba? Upo na kayo. Ay, gusto nila field goal. Ay, nila upo. Gusto nila field goal. Eh, nakascore na kayo eh. Sabi ni Michael Garoteo, upo na kayo mga bata. 2 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter. Here's the drive. That was batted away. Fast break finish. Huli. Huli, pero may tito referee, meron tayong foul. And now their chance to score on a free throw, just like what MINALIN did earlier. Take a look at this. On the fast trail, no look pass. Let's see if there's contact. Yes, may contact. Huli sa kamay. Now, the MINALIN fans have some rules from this player. Pero may score pa. May score nga yan. Ayun. Tingnan mo naman ang crowd dito sa na MACABEBE. 1-all. Ball pito, tipin, wala. Rebound, still. Ayaw pa rin. It's gonna be a violation. I am so amazed this guy is very animated. Para tayo nasa Enchanted Kingdom, ano? A block shot. Great block by Dungo. Fast break now for MACABEBE. And ball back away. Will stay with the red shirts of MACABEBE. Jumper from the corner. Wala. Tip in. Yes, sir. First field goal to Wagrin. Courtesy of Dungo. 7:17 left first quarter. 3-1 ang ating talaan. MINALIN yung first. Wala pa silang field goal. 1 point pa lamang sila. Bounce pass. Here's the drive. The drop off. Naagawan ng MACABEBE. Fast break opportunity. He will go all the way. No, he drops it off to the last second. Ayaw. 6:56 left in the first quarter. Drive inside. Pinilit. At ito yung first introduction ng traveling. (3-1) is our count. 6:49 left sa ating first quarter. Hope you're glad to win us. Maya pabingin po kayo mga kabalin. Dito po sa BREN Convention Center. Again, muling salamat sa Diyos sa biyayang ito. Talagang sa Diyos ang lahat ng karangalan kapurihan magpakailaman. In the meantime, MACABEBE still on the offensive job. MINALIN looking for the very first field goal. They only got a point. Ito na kaya. 3-point shot. Got it! Listen to this crowd. 4-3 is our count. 6:14 remaining. First quarter action. Shot clock at 10 seconds. 3 points on the other end. Yes. So mas marami ang crowd ng ang MINALIN kaysa sa MACABEBE. Kita-kita sa sigaw at hiyaw natin mga fans dito sa BREN. Kaya kung pagsamahin mo lahat sa buong Pampanga ay kulang itong BREN Convention. Samantala, meron tayong foul sa ilalim. Tatawagin ni referee Anthony the Rookie Roque. Blocking foul on number 7. That's his first personal foul. And that's the 13th foul on MACABEBE. Isa pa lamang team foul ng MINALIN. Time remaining is 5 minutes and 45. Inside. 3 seconds on the shot clock. The reverse layup. Beautiful. Tie game at 6. Six all. Wala na rin ng Macabebe. 3-point shot. Bitin. Bola pa rin ng Macabebe. Ball yanked away. Corner, 100 shot. Yes. Ito naman ang crowd. Pinapakita na ating direktor. Crowd naman ng Macabebe. MINALIN is most dominant crowd here in this main game. Tapos meron tayong 6 games tomorrow. Baseline. Nasa harhan ng pintuan. Corner, 3-feet bites. Wala. Ball batted away. Nakuha ng Macabebe. Fast break. It works. Nahulog pass. Hindi pumasok. Fresh 14. 3-point shot. Left quarter court. Wala pa rin. Put back. At meron tayong foul. Foul on number 12 of Macabebe. And that's the 14th foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Ito yung 3-point shot. Tingnan sa nangyari pa. Ayun! Tinula. Huli. Huli ng referee. Sa push. Of course, mga veteran ng mga ating mga referees dito. Bert Sisuga, Michael Galotera, and our crew chief, Anthony the Rookie Roque. Outside. They're swinging around. 10 to shoot. 3-point shot na naman. Talagang they lipid na yung 3-point shot itong MINALIN. Pinilit ang tira and sa third over. Fast break now for Macabebe. 4-on-3 situation. The runner got it. And it's a 4-point lead now for Macabebe. 4 minutes remaining starting first quarter. On the right wing. They're swinging around. Looking for cutters. Meron tayong illegal pick. Good call by the referee. Anthony Uruguay, number 11, will call for the offensive foul. That's the second team foul for MINALIN. 3:50 remaining, starting first quarter. 10-6 is our count. On the outside, may libre, hindi na nakita. 13 to shoot. Here's a 3-point shot. Wala. Tinalunan niya yung mas maliit na tao and he will call for a foul. Let's see that again. Look at that jump. Tinaimingan talaga niya. Back to live action. And we have fast break for MINALIN. And nabitawan ng bola. He dribbled off his foot. Cruz nang hihinahin siya doon sa pagkakataon na yun. $20 seconds on the shot clock. Alley-oop play did materialize. Nice shot. Ano yung mga bante na Macabebe? That's Kid Kingo. Score the basket. 3 minutes remaining in the first quarter. The lead is 4 for Macabebe. Crossover. Repito, referee. Foul muna before anything else. And penalty situation na Macabebe. With 2 free throws. Free throws for defendant party. All right, meron tayong timeout. 6-10 with 2:58 remaining. We will be right back. We have a time. But dito sa ating broadcast, sa ating Delta Cup, we have what we call thinking in advance. Of course, we thank the Delta team, the Delta Cup 2023 production team headed by our technical director Jetro, Slow-mo operations Renzi, graphics operations Luis, and our cameraman Alex, Paulo, Apeng, and of course Balong is on the other side of the and floor director for the panel, the handsome guy Israel, and of course ang aking PA na si Philip. Yours truly, Juan Paulo, you're doing the commentaries. As we are about 2 minutes away before ending this first quarter, 7-10 count. Nice passing play ng MINALIN. Nakakuha ng puwangang puntos, Pamulagan manning the charge. 12-9 is our count. 2 minutes and 22 remaining in the first quarter. Here's a 3-point shot, wide open shot. Wala. Na-outsmart niya sa rebound. And that is a basket for Macabebe. Approaching 2-minute warning starting first quarter. Back dribble. He drives hard. Nice pass, nice fake. Ay, tinawagan siya ng traveling. From 9 our count. Less than 2 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. 9-12 is our tally. Nakago dito ang MINALIN. Another fast break opportunity. Can they materialize this one? Yes, they do. Pamulagan manning the chance once again. And let's see this draw movie will show you how Pamulagan extricate that very deep defensive stance by MINALIN, pero wala tayong replay on that particular moment. Anyway, si Pamulagan will have a chance to score a 3-point play opportunity, and he does it so nonchalantly. 1 minute and 42 remaining in the first quarter, 14-12. Lamang na po ang lamang pa rin po ang Macabebe ng 2 points. Medyo patay po ang ating shot clock. I don't know why. Kailangan na i-fix yun. Samantala, there's a foul. I don't know why the shot clock runs at 22 seconds. Okay, MINALIN now on their verge of penalty situation. They are on a 13 foul. 10 seconds on the shot clock now. From the corner, 3-point shot. No soak that time. Put back inside the paint. Wala pa rin. With it in 17 remaining in the first quarter. Here's Parungao. That turnaround. That's not for. Oh, almost worked. Pamulagan almost has it. Pass making it works for Macabebe. Less than a minute remaining. The shot won't work, won't bite. And here we go. Another fast break finish that will materialize. Pamulagan ties the game at 14. And we have a timeout on the floor. Magbabalik po ang Delta Cup. Time down to 48 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Tabla tayo sa 14. My name is Juan Paulo doing the call for the 6 games of this broadcast of Delta Cup. Live po tayo sa BREN Convention Center, Pampanga. First deadlock of this ball game. Looking for cutters. Anticipated steal, and this is going to be a home run for Pamulagan. Pagunga rather. First stage of the lead of MINALIN. Excuse me, 16-14. 4-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. There's a triple team clamp. The drop pass right down the baseline. Nice pump fake. The release is anemic. Put back inside the base. Still no soak. Still Pamulagan a block shot, but there's a foul. There's contact. And that will be against Parungao. It's going to be the first person on Pamulagan. Free throw good. 10 seconds. Last shot time now for the white shirts from MINALIN. Final 6 seconds. On the right wing, we have Marungao. Looking at our pass. Nice pass inside the paint. The hang time move didn't work, and that should do it. We're tied at 16. Back at square one. You're watching the Delta Cup. Stay with us for 3 more quarters to play. Back to live action dito po sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Continuing coverage of your Delta Cup. My name is Pampanga doing the call. And we're now in the second quarter action. Wearing in white is MINALIN. Wearing in red is MACABEBE. A shot inside the paint, no good. After that, MACABEBE may taka na bola. Regardless si jersey number 12. Yeah, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Baseline drive. Kick out. Against 3 defenders sa drop pass. Masyado man nakasampa sa turnover. Babalik ang bola sa MINALIN. Actually, that pass is coming from Ducot. I don't know if he's the son of Ed Ducot. Kapampangan din yan kasi si Ed Ducot. Samantala, baseline drive. The shot won't work by Lobo. Nice layup. Back to a 2-point lead for MACABEBE. Almost a minute gone by this first type of action. Second quarter, Garcia. Parang on top of the kill area. Goes left. The left pass. Out of your play did not materialize. Sorry, Mr. Badunglao. Jump shot. It's good. Long two converted by Duwag. 21-16. I think it's 5 for MACABEBE. Time down to 8 minutes and 23. 3-point shot on the right corner. He got it to go. (21-16). Time down to 8 minutes and 7. 5-point lead for MACABEBE. Corner flip, 3-point shot on its way. Nope. Battle for the rebound. Domlao has it. Parungao, kick out. 3-point shot, Garcia rims it out. UC clears the board. And here it comes. Another fast break opportunity. Misses. Put back. It's good. That's Tukod who scored the basket. 23-19 is a 4-point lead for MACABEBE. Garcia looking for cutters. There's going to be an offensive foul on Garcia as he ward off his elbow. All right. Do we have a timeout? No, it's just a substitution. Duwag brings it down time for the red shirts of MACABEBE. They're up by 4 now. Baseline drive. 100 shot. Does not fall. Battle for the rebound. Red shirt still has it. Top to shoot now. The finger roll works. Plus a foul to boot. Great play. And a good dexterity there on the part of Duwag. Yun natin mga kaibigan yung slow-mo on that last bit of action. If we can have it direct. Yes, it does. Let's see this. Oh, tumama sa mukha. Basket counts and 1. Almost 3 minutes gone by sa ating second quarter. Lamang pa rin na MACABEBE ng 6. For this game 6 of our Delta Cup. At maraming salamat po sa Pampanga Information Office and Sinagdiga Asha, headed by no less than Governor Dennis Calta Pineda. Less than 7 minutes remaining in the second quarter. 9 on the shot clock. Frontal assault. Nice drop pass. Nice spin. Nice up fake. The release is anemic. Everything but the shot. Oh, look at that shot. When he heard the whistle, he pulled it up, and the darn thing came in from Mundo. We can have the second look of that last bit of action slow-mo. Let's see. All right, 3-point play opportunity now for MACABEBE. They're slowly erecting a 7-point lead, but we all know MINALIN is a Mr. Comeback trail. Excuse me. It is now a 10-point game. 19-29. 6 minutes and 24 remaining in this second quarter. It's a 3-point shot. Referee already whistled. It's going to be a violation against MINALIN. 6 minutes and 20 left in this second quarter. Here it comes. The lob almost went hayward, and here it goes. Fast break in fluid motion for MINALIN. The hang time move. That one trickles in. All right, MINALIN now still trailing by 8. 3-point shot from top of the key. Bullseye. Right on target. And now they're erecting a double-digit spread. Duwag sinks that. And of course, I want to greet the alias Benturo. Of course, he's Mr. Brother Jefferson Ong. And of course, Isko Salvador, aka Brad Pitt. They now call themselves Tatlong Bebe, and so far MACABEBE is still on a 9-point bulge against MINALIN. Approaching the halfway house of the second quarter, 5 minutes and 5. From the corner, they will not shoot a 3-point shot. They're looking for the best possible angle. Pump fake, release. Perfect! 34-23. 11-point bubble for MACABEBE. 4 minutes and 44 remaining in the second quarter. It's another 3-point shot. Now the white shirts slowly lost its touch from outside. That's one of the missing links there for MINALIN. Sagmit hasn't scored yet in this ball game. Let's see if he will catch fire late. 12 seconds to go on the shot clock. Here's the pump fake. Here's the release. That one is too strong. Rebound control by the white shirts. Well, and you need another fast break attempt. Here it comes. It will happen, but they blew it. Counter fast break for the red shirts. MACABEBE that time rammed the defender. It's going to be an offensive foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. He just bulldozed this guy. And it's a knockdown. That's an offensive foul. (34-23). 15 to shoot. Baseline drive, the spin, nowhere to go. 10 on the shot clock. Hang time move. Almost paid off. We'll take 2 shots nonetheless. This could be foul number 12 para sa Macabebe. For the free throws now for this guy. Still trailing by 11 points. 6 the first. Put back. Reverse. Tip in. Still unsuccessful. 2 players bang their heads at each other. There's going to be a foul. It is a 34-24 count. We're approaching the 3 minutes in this second quarter. That's been an action-packed encounter. Here's the backdoor cut. Did not materialize. Out of fast break for the red shirts. And they lost it. And now, Puso now checks in for the very first time for Macabebe. The lead is 10. 3.5 minutes, first half of action. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here's a spin. Almost went up out of balance. Nice passing play that produced a possible 2 free throw situation. Yes, it is a foul on Poso. First free throw is good. The lead's chopped down to 9 points. 25-34. 26-34. All right, we're going to have a ceasefire. We'll be right back. It's an 8-point lead for Macabebe. All right. You can see a glimpse of the fans enjoying a moment here at the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Time remaining is 3 minutes and 18 in the second quarter. The score is 34-26. Let's see if Macabebe can withstand this slight uprising there by MINALIN. Jump shot won't go. Approaching 3 minutes in the first half of action. A lot of time on the shot clock. Drop pass, no one. Turnover by MINALIN. And so far, dominating performance there by Macabebe. MINALIN fast break. That's not completed. They still have it. Pass is a little bit wayward. And the ball goes out of bounds. It goes to me. And the ball will stay with MINALIN. Inbound. They still have 8 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, turnover. And a bucket for Macabebe. MINALIN throw the ball away out of bounds. An automatic inbound on the other end of the court. Two and 16 remaining in the second quarter. Garcia checks back and take a look at this last bit of action in slow-mo. Fast break finish. He just laid it in with authority. All right, there's a whistle. .14 seconds on the shot clock. And now the red shirts still on a 10-point lead. Thought about a 3, 7 to shoot. From the baseline, there's going to be a legal pick offensive foul being spotted by referee Anthony Roque on someone from MACABEBE. All right, we're approaching the 2-minute warning of this first half of action. 36 to 26. So far, MINALIN hasn't tasted the lead since the first quarter. Lap pass too high. Turnover. Minute and 50 remaining in the second quarter. Baseline drive, thwarted. And they're leaving 6 seconds on the shot clock. Still up a minute and 37 to play in the second quarter. Inbound play, shot won't work. Rebound controlled by the Reds, but they lost it. .15 to shoot. Hang time works for MINALIN. That's Ibay's basket. The lead is 36 to 28. Approaching 1 minute in the second quarter. MACABEBE now will slow down the tempo. They'll chew up some clock. 3-point shot. Oh, that's big. That's big. 3-point shot converted. .50 ticks to go. All right, possession now for the white shirts. Let's see this replay of sorts on the last bit of action. Free throw time. 41 ticks to go. The lead is chopped down to just 10. Nope. 39 seconds. Here's the drive. Batted away. Ibay has a piece of it. And basket won't work. MINALIN on the run. 35 seconds. Ram on him. It's going to be a blocking foul. Look at the MACABEBE clock. Something piece of it. Let's see if there's a foul. When you receive the basketball. And here you go. 22 seconds. Here's the drive. Side step. Layup. No. Rebound. One more serving. The hang time jackknife won't work. 12 seconds remaining. MACABEBE still with a 10-point lead. Here's the drive. The bump. The shot. It works. Basket counts. Basket counts. Kita yung foul. Up in the air. Counted and foul. Oh, can he score 3-point play opportunities? The biggest lead now for MACABEBE. 41 to 29. 6.2 seconds before we finally call it at the half. Both teams in penalty. Yes. 6.2. Down to 5 seconds. Down to 4. Pushing the ball up court. 2 seconds. The drop pass. No. And that should do it. We're now at halftime, 42-39. And we'll be right back for more of this last game for the Delta Cup. Back after this. Alright, bago tayo mag-umpisa sa ating second half, ipakita muna natin sa inyo ang ating mga halftime highlights of what has been a great first half by Macabebe. Starting with this, Pamulangan drive to the basket. Then, followed by outside sniping by MINALIN. Courtesy of that guy. On the other hand, 3-point shot right on top of the GUIAO area. And a fast break completion. Ang layo ng layup, ang layo ng take-off. Those are some of the highlights. And in just a moment, we'll bring you this second half of this encounter featuring MINALIN and Macabebe. Stay with us, please. We're down to the final 20 minutes of playing time for this Saturday broadcast of your Delta Cup. Salamat po, Governor Delta Pineda, sa papagunlak sa aming production team na i-cover ang remainder elimination round up until to the playoffs. Of course, from the playoffs, it will be the broadcast team of Sinag Liga Asia that will take over as we start the third quarter action. What a nice pass. (42 to 31 na dapat yan. 42 to 31. Lace it up, no. Put back, yes sir. 44 to 31. Both teams trading baskets in this Delta Cup. Dala pass. Nope. "45 seconds gone by sa third quarter. Patiba ng loob ito for both squads. And kind of good second half po MINALIN. Uy, nagkaroon ng girian. And they turn the ball over. .850 left in the third quarter. Meron tayong pito. That's going to be a dribbling violation. Turnover. He apologizes to the bench. Tinatali ang kanyang sapatos na kulay purple. Slight purple. Ayan, ready na siya. Bola na ngayon ng MINALIN. They're trailing by Baker's dozen 13 points. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Slides down the middle. Thwarted. Aborted. And here's the counter fast break for MACABEBE. It was budged. Here it comes. Wow. He almost made that layup to the delight of MINALIN crowd. From the corner. 3-point shot. No soak. And they let the ball go out of bounds. (44-31). Here's the drive. There's a foul. Basket counts. Is that counted? Yes, it counts. Three-point play completed. The lead is down to 10. 34-34. May pabiging po kay kayo. Ryan Powell po doing the broadcast on this Saturday night basketball of Delta Cup. Almost a turnover. Here's the drive to the basket. Too strong. Rebound. MINALIN. Yes, it is MINALIN basketball. The crowd is edging on because they can sense the momentum going on their side. 44-34. 13 to shoot. Here's the drive. The drop. Inside. Runner. Foul. He will take 2 free throws now. Unti-unti. MINALIN's now giving up fouls. And that propelled MINALIN franchise to score some points while the clock is stopped. Whoops. Ayan yung camera natin. Ayusin natin. Yan. Free throw. Lead is still 10 for MACABEBE. Split. Lead is 9. 35-44. Time remaining 7 minutes and 36. Pressure now on the ball carrier. He drives out to the hole. What a nice shot. (35-46). That's a nice swipe once again, and he's gone. He will not gonna go for the dunk. Mapapaya lang siya kung may dunk na tapos hindi niya may pasok. This time we made sure that's Mundo. 48-35. Mundo is one of the prime candidates for the best player honors this evening because of his stellar first half performance. Another block. 5 on the shot clock. They need to put it up. And a steal. Not quite. 7/10 of a second. 7/10. Why did they reset the clock? Why did they reset the shot clock? I don't know why. It should have been 0.7 of the shot clock. Shot clock should have been 0.7. Yeah, that's the problem. I think the shot clock should have been 0.7 of a second. Or you can try it to go 1 second. Tinitingnan natin yung set natin. 0.7. Yun ang sabi ni referee Anthony Roque. 0.7. 1 second na lang daw para wala nang problema. 1 second. Sige. Okay. Yan. Sige. Pwede na yan. 1.6 seconds. Important inbound. It should be a quick one for MINALIN. Here it comes. Quick shot. 3-point. Block! And that's it. Shot clock violation. Pop. Teka muna. Wala muna yan. No basket. It will be a shot clock violation. Shot clock. Di kayo nagkaintindihan. Nagpumito na kanina pang referee. Shot clock violation. The ball should be on the backcourt or maybe on the front court. Yeah, backcourt. inbound ng Macabebe. All right, here's the inbound. 6.5 remaining the third quarter. Here's the drive. The layup. Nako, bitin. We thought he was fouled, but there's no call. The spin, the turn, twister shot, won't bite. Put back. He forced it, keeps it up. Glass shot didn't work. Ayun nangyayari sa MINALIN. Na-open sila pero hindi na ipapasok. (48-35). The lead now is a 13-point outquarter. Crossover. He drives side, lays it up. Nope. Ball still on the white shirts. Fast break opportunity. He didn't catch it on time. He didn't catch it on time. Another turnover. .550 remaining. Third quarter action. .15 to shoot. The spin, the turn, the drop pass. Almost intercepted. And there's a push. No, there's no push. It is a inbound violation. Good defensive stance there. Okay. We have a timeout. We'll be right back for more Talk Cup. Okay, for those Facebook viewers who want to find out that why we don't have a Facebook, we are having some technical problems on our connections, but we are live on YouTube. Fast break opportunity, almost to the materialize. Three-point shot won't bite. Five minutes and change in this third quarter. There's a foul. No, there's no foul. There is a traveling. (48-37). It is a very, very close encounter. We're sensing a comeback there by MINALINs. The MINALINO first. 11-point bubble, and we are now on a game 6 of 6, and we still have 6 more games tomorrow. But there's another turnover in the horizon for the white shirts of MINALIN. 4:41 remaining in this third frame. 4:35 remaining in the third quarter. Spin move, nice up fake. That's not enough. And here's an 11-point. Fast break, drives. And the ball goes back to MACABEBE. .21 remaining in this third canto. 14 on the shot clock. The drop pass. 9 to shoot. He's wide open. He will not take it. Instead, he will drive one-handed shot. Beautiful. This guy is the consistent scorer for MACABEBE. (50-37). Kick out. They need a 3-point shot. Going higher percentage. Still no soak. Still have a lot of time on the shot clock. They need to have a good attempt. Here's the good attempt. Still in vain. Wow. Horrible shooting by MINALIN in this third quarter. (10 on the shot clock. Here's the kick out. Nice play. Oh! Fast break. Finish. (50-37). 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Time to shoot. Short. MINALIN still on a 13-point deficit. They need to mount an uprising now. Still can't buy a basket. How many minutes they don't have basket? 4 minutes scoreless. No field goals for MINALIN. Wow. Can't believe it. (50-39). Presbyterian is good. The lead is 10 for MACABEBE. And 10 seconds on the shot clock. Time to shoot. They need another field goal here from the baseline. Good drop. Here's the shot. Still can't buy a basket. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. 4 minutes, no field goals for MINALIN. Woo! That's a big dry spell. That's why this lead is 10. You know, if they score at least 3 or 4 field goals for MINALIN, that's just going to be a great ball game. But the game is still not yet over because we are still in the third quarter and MINALIN is continuing to press. They're going to play tenacious defense from here on in. Corner shot. It doesn't drop. Rebound controlled by the white shirts. Here's another fast break opportunity. Still can buy a basket. And that is a fireman's cup out of aspirations of MINALIN. That's a big shot by Dungo or by Duwag. Long three if it bites. In and out. Oh, that broke the heart of aspirations of your MINALIN. 50-40. Score is unchanged for quite some time now. Especially for MINALIN. Bounce pass intercepted. Here it comes. MINALIN fans egging on. Come on, score! They will take free throws nonetheless. MINALIN sensing that the red shirts of MACABEBE beginning to tire out. So this is the time to step up the plate. And let's see what happened for MINALIN from here on in. There's free throws now. No. Still no basket for MINALIN. They have a very dry third quarter. Block shot. Coming off a 32-point output, they only scored 8 in the third. That's how dry. Only 4 field goals in the first 4 minutes, and since then they haven't scored any field goals after that. Tough pit to swallow for MINALIN. Bobble up. There's a foul, and they're in a penalty situation now. Alfonso with a foul. First free throw. 46.3 seconds. Yes. 11 points is the deficit for MINALIN. No. Split. 40 ticks. Sidestep. There's a foul. Oh, no, there's no foul. There is an error for Swat's going to be traveling. 36.9 seconds. It's just an 11-point game. Anything can happen. Still an eternity of basketball ahead of us. And the ball swipe away to stay with the white shirts. Nice cut. Can't make it. Still won't buy a basket. Woo! What has happened to MINALIN? There are no field goals in 5 minutes. I can't believe this. So lucky that MACABEBE's lead only 12. If MACABEBE continues to score their field goal, this could have been a big, big blowout. Final 70 seconds. And an offensive foul. (52-41). 10 seconds before we just end the third quarter. The spin. The cut. Batted away. 3 seconds. 3-point shot. No. And that has been the quarter of MINALIN. For sure, the MINALINs will come up much better quarter. Stay tuned for the last 10 minutes of this Saturday broadcast. If MINALIN can score an upset or MACABEBE stays this way. This is Delta Cup. We'll be right back after these highlights. We're down to the final 10 minutes of playing time. Final question mark. If MACABEBE can continue this on a winning note, or MINALIN can finally catch fire after so many failures from field goal range. Ryan Paro here for the game 6 of 6, and then we will have 6 games tomorrow. Fourth quarter. 7-point deficit now. 10 to shoot. Here's a drive to the basket. Too strong. Rebound. The white shirts. Marungao. Drives. Runner. Still no soak. And a steal. Sidestep. Drops it off. Block. It's a block. 19 to shoot. Baseline jumper. The big question, when MINALIN will score a reverse field goal. The last time they scored was the 5-minute and 55 mark of the third quarter. Since then, they gone sour. And MINALIN can't afford that because MINALIN can't score yet their field goal since then. $19 on the shot clock. Drives. Kick out. 10 to shoot. Sidestep. Laid up. Still no soak. Wow, what a drought by MINALIN. Almost 7 minutes. No field goals yet for MINALIN. They were stuck at about 38, 39, 30, 41. Majority of their points since the 5-minute mark of the third quarter are free throws. So the red shirts of MACABEBE can afford to chew up some clock. Here's the drive to the basket. Block. It's going to be a foul. Luwag will be called for that personal. Let's see that again. There is a block, but there's contact on the body. That's why the referee signaled a foul. He throws. No. Whoop. Whoa, whoa. Okay, they need to be restrained. Okay, that's all right. Ball goes back to MINALIN. It's a highly emotional ball, especially for MINALIN. The scoring drought continues for MINALIN. When they will score the very first field goal since the third quarter, the halfway point. Let's find out. Here's the drive. Can't buy a basket. That has been the story of this ball game. And that's why MACABEBE is ahead by 11. Approaching 10 seconds on the shot clock. 3-point shot. No dice. Rebound. Put back. Block. And there's another case of traveling. 7:43 left in this ball game. Parungao. Here's the drive, kick out, baseline, intercepted, and they get a foul. So the foul is happening prior to the shot. All right, Drek, let's see that last foul. Top view camera. Can we see that last foul? Because there's a possibility of upgrading this on Sportsman because of the on the transition foul. Can we have the last replay? Let's have a review first. We'll have a review on that last instance. Sige, Direk, paki-play lang. Yung last foul natin, ayan. Panoorin natin to. Okay, here's the steal. Ayan. Op! Okay. After the review, it's just a normal foul. Thank you, Direk. It's just a normal foul. It's not an unnecessary contact due transition or C1 category as far as the FIBA rules concerned. It's still an 11-point lead now for MACABEBE. And MINALIN has still no field goals since the third quarter, 5 minutes and 55. Baseline. Up. It's going to be a dribbling violation lifting. So tit for tat. One error after the other. Here it comes. The White Shirts looking for the first field goal. Hang time block. It's a block shot. Even the ring has lid. MINALIN hasn't scored yet since the third quarter. Middle part. Scoop shot. No success. Watching the 7-minute mark of this ball game. This is a contrasting note from the Lubao Pampanga. They're both of them, Lubao and Cora. Block shot there. Both teams playing log jam defense, putting the score on a very low end like this, 52-41, low scoring fourth quarter. Oh, 3-point shot, that's where, short. White shirts getting another stop. Here's the drive. Can this be the first field goal? No, he blew it. He blew it. We're still looking for the very first field goal of MINALIN. I can sense that once they hit a field goal, it will be in succession. Surmounting to that the circumstance that they have right now. 6:27 remaining in this ball game. Time slowly ticking away for the white shirts. Shot won't work. Tip in. No. Two players, gang rebound. Again, MINALIN looking for the very first field goal since the third quarter. They're always hitting glass. Here it comes. 3-point shot. That's short. Red shirts on the fast break. 2-1 situation. Too strong. White shirts getting up again. On the other end of the court. First field goal. Finally! Finally! After 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 5 minutes and 55. 10 minutes. MINALIN scored the very first field goal. That's one of the longest droughts that we have here in Delta Cup. Woo! No good. 9-point game. Submit. They've scored one. Let's see if they can score in bunches or in succession. Here you go. Wide open 3-point shot. No. Rebound. Can't get it. Fast break now. Hang time move. Foul. And this guy, one of the prime candidates for best player honors. That's Mundo. Mundo. For that hang time. And number 7 player has just fouled out. He has 5 fouls. Or rather, that number 11 pala has fouled out of the game. Pressure now mounting on this guy. Let's see if he can deliver those crucial shots. First is no good. He wilt under pressure. He wilt under pressure. 43 MINALIN, 52 MACABEBE. Split. 43-53. The lead is 10. Submit, brings it down. The white shirts looking for consecutive free goals. Here we go. 15 to shoot. It's a drive, sidestep, lays it up. No. Put back. No. 2 misses there for the white shirts. From the corner, 3-point shot challenge. No. You still get it. Pump fake, the release. Got it. Got it, got it. Big basket. Lead is 12. 55-43. 4.5 minutes remaining in this ball game. There's a foul away from the play. That will put MACABEBE on the second team foul. Corner play here. Here's the drive. Wide open 3. Corner pocket shot. Bounces out. The red shirts controlling the game like there's no tomorrow. MACABEBE hanging on. Four minutes and 10. We have a foul. Four and 10 remaining now. 14 foul for MINALIN. Only the second team foul for MACABEBE. This is game 6 of 6. My name is Ryan Paro. We're coming to the home stretch now of this broadcast. Here's the drive, partially blocked, good defensive stance. But they need more than that. They need to score and to trim down this deficit. He's wide open. Oh! It is a foul by Dukot. They thought it was a traveling, but Dukot was called for a foul. Let's see that again. Hang time move. Yeah, it hit in the arm. Good call by the refs. It hit in the arm. Good call. And those free throw woes continue. The second is good. 11-point game. 3:49 remaining. Winning time here in Pampanga. It's a Saturday basketball. We still have 6 tomorrow. Here's the drive by Mundo. Nice fake. Here's the drive. The shot. Short rebound. Tip in. No. Batted away. White shirts has it. They're on the fast lane now. Number 81. Batted away. Good steal. He has it. He wants to go all the way. The drop. Number 18. Short. MACABEBE has a chance. Here's the driving shot. Goes in. It goes in. The lead is 9. 3 minutes remaining in this game. The white shirts now pressing. And we have a whistle. It is an 8-second violation. Because of the wall of the crowd, it is a distraction, but now it is an 8-second backward violation. So that will have 14 seconds on the shot clock for the white shirts. This is just a 9-point game. The game is not yet over. Here's the spin. Hang time. Yes, sir. Nice shot. Nice shot. The lead is 7. 2:40 to go. I'm going to stand now. I'm going to stand. This game is going to be one for the books again. We have look at that shot. Look at that shot on the last bit of action. All right, we have a timeout. Okay, we will have a timeout. We'll be right back. And a good sized crowd here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Enjoying a moment. Penalty situation in effect already for MINALIN. 2 free throws here. The pressure is on. First is no good. The lead is 7. 7-point game. Split. 48-56, 8-point game. 2:41 remaining. Game 6 of 6. Pamulagan. 16 to shoot. Pamulagan decides to drive. Can't shake defender. He forces a shot and he gets the foul. He gets the foul. He gets the foul. I don't know if that's a 2-shot foul, 3-shot foul. We'll determine very soon. So take a look at this. Okay, nakita na natin sa slow-mo. Sabi ni referee Anthony Rookie Roque, it is a 3-shot foul. So it can chop down the lead further. First is good. The lead is now 7. 49-56. 49-56. 50-56. The lead is 6 points. Can MINALIN come back from the grave here? We'll determine very soon. 51-56. This is just a 5-point game. And the pressure is on for MACABEBE. Number 26 picks the ball up. We are approaching the twilight zone of this grandeur basketball of Delta Cup here in BREN GUIAO. Dungo. 10 to shoot. Jump shot. No. Rebound. MINALIN. MINALIN has it. Submit. Brings it downtown. And we're down to the twilight zone. Last 2 minutes. And a steal provider is going to be an unsportsmanlike foul. Direct. Can we replay on that last bit of action in slow-mo? There's a possibility that this will be an unsportsmanlike foul. Let's see that on the top of your camera. That's an obvious unsportsmanlike foul. Huling-huli ng referee. 3 referees whistled at the same time, so that will mean free throws and possession for MACABEBE. Two free throws plus possession. So it's an unsportsmanlike foul na tinawag na ating referee. And we also have a technical foul by the player who got it. Let's review that again in slow-mo. Direct, pa-review nga natin yung last instant. Pa-review lang natin. This last bit of action on slow-mo. Okay, here we go. Here's the play. Okay. Ayan. Meron tayong foul. Unsportsmanlike talaga. O, tama yung tawag ng referee. Thank you. It is an unsportsmanlike foul. So it'll be free throws plus ball possession for MACABEBE. 5-point game. 56-51. The pressure is on. Look at the crowd. Distracting him. Yes. Cool as ice. 6-point game. 57-51. Seven-point game. 58-51. Ball possession for MACABEBE. They have 14 seconds on the shot clock. We're about to go to the twilight zone. 7-point game. 58-51. This is brought to you by Molten, the official ball. Last 2 minutes now. Number 12, quick foul there. I bet 59 remaining. 2 more free throws here for MINALIN. It's a foul on Malaban. And this guy, he's been very consistent since the first quarter. One of the prime candidates of best player of the ball game with a double-double performance. Mundo scores. 3 straight free throws made. From a 5-point game now, it's a 3-possession game. 59-51 with a minute and 59 remaining in this match. Makes both. 4 free throws made. From 51 to 56 is 51 to 60. 9-point game. Sagmit receives the ball, brings it downtown. Here we go. White shirts now with the possession. Pamulagan on the outside. They're swinging around on the left wing. Here's a 3-point shot by Cruz. No sock. Rebound control by the red shirts. Red shirts will slow it down with a minute and 47. MACABEBE now with a 9-point lead. 60-51. Nice crossover against Segment. Here's the drive, the bounce pass to Dungo. Dungo with a back shot. No good. Battle for the rebound. Tips it in. Not quite. Rebound Pamulagan. Pamulagan now on a fast break for the white shirts now for MINALIN. Here's Ubas with a hang time mode. It drops. It drops. 60-53. A minute and 31 remaining. The pressure is on now from the backcourt. Number 18 reaching downtown. He almost lost it. He drives. Here's Tuga. Inside pass. Here's the drive. Now 22. Puts it up a shot. Rattles in. Big shot by Dungo. The lead is back to 11. 64-53. Pamulagan on the outside. Pamulagan can't shake his defender. Here's Ubas. 3-point shot. It backs it out. Battle for the rebound. Still white shirts. They need a 3. Pamulagan. No. Rebound. White shirts. A minute remaining. It is a 9-point game. Here's the drive. The drop to Pamulagan. Pamulagan lays it up and in. 62-55. The game is not yet over. 55 days. They need to score on this last possession to secure W for MACABEBE. Those 4 free throws are very big. Here's Dukot. Dukot fakes on the outside. Here's the best player on us, Mundo. Will chew up the clock. 10 on the shot clock. Mundo spins on the outside. He's wide open. He will take the three-point shot. Offline. Now MINALIN needs to hurry. Sagmit now on the fast break. Sagmit on the fast break. Here's the pass to Pamulagan. He scores 31 seconds. The lead is just down to 5. They need to foul. They need to foul on the backcourt. There is a foul to stop the clock. And the crowd here for MACABEBE chanting some words from MINALIN, but the game is not yet over. This is just a 2-possession game. We have a timeout, but we're not gonna turn it over. We're gonna extend. We're gonna hang on to the air. To remind you that stay tuned from the announcement from the Pampanga Information Office. We will announce the 6 games tomorrow for our continued broadcast of your Delta Cup. And let me greet our very, very masipag at dedicated, hardworking team. Technical Director Jetro, Slow-Mo Ops is Wensi, Graphics Operations Luis, Cameraman Alex, Paulo, Apeng, Balong. Floor Director of my panel is the good-looking Israel. PA is Philip, and yours truly, Ryan Paro, doing the score of this 6-game broadcast. And I can tell you that this is all in God's glory order that we are about to finish this broadcast. 62-57, icing under the cake now, and he muffed it. Still a slim chance for MINALIN to come back. Game reset, 2 timers to go for MINALIN. MACABEBE has 1 more. 57-62, 57-63 to possession game. MINALIN needs to hurry up. Pamulagan has the lead now, 28 seconds. Pamulagan on the outside, number 7, cross-court pass. Number 81 has it, Ubas. Back to Pamulagan, he drives hard. Pamulagan spins, forces up the issue, scores the basket. The lead is down to 4, 59-63. And they will pressure the ball carrier, and we finally foul with 16 takes remaining. Just a little bit too late. The third quarter drought of MINALIN spells the difference. And that unsportsmanlike foul in the last 2 minutes also spells doom for MINALIN. But hey, MACABEBE is now beginning to miss free throws. They feel tired. This is just a 4-point game. Miss both. Rebound. Pamulagan. 15 seconds to go. They need to score. Pamulagan will go all the way. The drop pass to number 7. It's a bad pass. 9 seconds. They're going to foul. They're going to let it all hang out. And Mundo finishes this one with a flurry. 65-59. 3 seconds to go. And the game is over. What a ball game. MACABEBE survives the 4th quarter onslaught of MINALIN. The final score, 65-59. And I will conclude the broadcast with the interview of our best player of the ball game. Stay with us. Sound check, sound check. $65-59, makapigil hinangang pangalan para sa MACABEBE. Of course, Cal Mundo is our best player of the ball game. Very consistent ka all throughout game. Nung nakita mo ang MINALIN ay minamana sa third quarter at alam mo makakabalik sila, anong tumatakbo sa isip mo?
Sabi po kasi ni Coach, chill lang po kami at makinig po sa kanya. Yun po, yung feeling niya sa amin.
Yung unsportsmanlike foul kanina, yun ang nagpanalo sa inyo because that propels you with 4 straight points. Anong pakiramdam na nalusutan yung very tough MINALIN team?
Masaya kasi panalo kami. Para sa MACABEBE Warriors, nilaban na to.
At dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, pakakato mo nang bumati at magpasalamat. Go!
Shoutout kay Josh Tol, sa girlfriend ko. MACABEBE Warriors, sa mga pamilya ko. Nice game.
Congratulations sa iyo. Siya ang best player of the ball game. And that should do it for our broadcast for tonight. In behalf of our hardworking men and women dito sa Delta Cup, in behalf of our Commissioner Leo Isaac, sa mga kasama natin sa broadcast, like Aldi Arelo, Technical Director si Jetro, lahat na nabati ko na kanina. This is Vampire saying, sports is life. Always use this for the glory of God. This has been the presentation of Delta Cup. Mula dito sa San Fernando City, Pampanga, may ababengi po kayo. Makita-kita tayo bukas. To God be the glory.